All right, mail drop time. A few things showed up and I thought I'd lay them out and give you my first impressions. A portable fluid head for travel, a cage for my A7R6, and a filter system with an easy way to carry my DJI Pocket 4P filters, ideally while still being able to use some of my Pocket 3 filters. First up is the Tilta Travel Video Head. This was the travel problem I was trying to solve for, right? I wanted something that feels like a proper fluid head but doesn't take over the whole pack. My first impression is really good. I love the finish on this. It feels great in my hand, it's light. The build quality feels top notch, really. The handle is nice and short, which I actually prefer for travel, and it detaches easily, so packing it should be fairly simple. The fluid head itself has a flat base, supports up to 5 kilos, uses an Arca compatible quick release plate, which should make it easy to move between a tripod and other gear. Obviously this is not a review yet. I'll need some time and some real shooting with it. Next up is this SmallRig Hawklock full cage for the A7R6. I picked this up because I want a little more protection around the camera, but mainly because I want to start adding a few things to it without having to figure out some weird mounting solution every time. There are mounting points all over it for monitor, mic, light, handle, whatever I end up needing, right? It's also got a Hawklock rail built in, plus an Arca plate on the bottom, so it should be really easy to move between tripod, gimbal, and handheld setups. It even comes with a little HDMI clamp, but yeah, first impression, feels really solid. It gives me room to grow into a bigger setup if I want to. Alright, next up is this Tilta filter adapter for the Pocket 4P. This one is all about keeping the filter setup simple. The main reason I picked it up is it lets me use both Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 filters with the 4P, so I can keep using filters I already have instead of starting from scratch. It gives me a much easier way to keep everything together when I'm traveling. It's a small thing, but it's one of those accessories that could make the Pocket setup a lot less annoying. I'll need to spend some time actually using it, but first impressions, it seems like a really practical solution, and it mounts to the Pocket 4P with that twist on. So you just pop it on and then twist it on like this. It's made out of like a plastic, I would have liked for it to be metal, but it's made out of plastic. So next up we have the Osmo Pocket 3 and 4 filter set, which consists of a VND, a black mist filter, and a CPL. It comes in this clear top magnetic case. This one is the CPL, and check out these magnets. And here's the black mist filter, and this is the VND. So these will actually clip on to that filter adapter. And the one thing that I really like about this is the design, right? Like it clips to the bottom of this, like so. So it's all clipped on now, right? Extends the grip as well. So that's always nice. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in. And the magnet is super strong. It just pulls it right out of your hand. You have 3 filters. Get to them, and you just pull them out like that, and then just drop them in like this. Right, depending on what I need where, I can just drop those in. The thing that you have here is you have a tripod, built-in tripod legs. So you can just take these out, and now you have a camera on a tripod. So these built-in tripod legs, they remind me of the Luna a little bit, right? But these are rubber, that was metal, and also the Luna was obviously part of the camera itself, and this is a separate piece. But it's very stable, right? You can put it down like this. It's very stable. The Luna didn't feel as stable. And then behind here you have this pop-up magnetic piece so that you can magnetize it to a surface. And then it's very top heavy, this camera, right? So if you mount it to something flat, it moves forward like that. So you really should magnetize to something long to prevent it from tilting forward too much. And as you can see, it just magnetizes to this metal surface. turn it on. Then you just set up your shot. Alright. As you can see, it's fine. It's a pretty decent magnet. Turn it off. Still hanging there. If you're going horizontal with a thin piece of magnet, then nothing at the bottom, it's going to fall forward like this, right? You need a long piece of metal along this plane. So all in all, I'm really liking this device, right? It gives you a magnet to mount to a magnetic surface, gives you a built-in tripod, it gives you a filter holder, and then extends the handle as well, and then a 1/4 20 at the bottom. So yeah, love it.